This is a Hoveround MPV5 power chair, and the reason I'm doing a video on this one has an electric 5-inch seat lift. So this power chair is an MPV5. It's an older model. Again, it came out of someone's home where it was sitting air conditioned in someone's home, so it's practically brand new. It has the 5-inch seat lift, it has the good motors in it, and it has the deluxe seat, the deluxe Hoveround seat. So now the seat is already pretty high on this chair. It can be lowered down, so if you wanted the seat lift, but you don't want it so high when you start, there's a couple spacers in here we can take off and bring the seat down. But if you wanted a seat that's really high, plus you wanted 5 extra inches, you would keep it this way. So to make the seat go up, you would go on the joystick right here. There's a picture of the seat. Hit these buttons right here, the lights will light up. Push the joystick back, actually forward on this one, and you can see the seat lift going up 5 inches. So as I said earlier, there are some spacers that we can remove and bring the seat down. If this is too high at the bottom position, we can adjust that. But right now this seat is really high, so you'd be sitting right now from the ground to the top of the seat at 29 inches, almost 30 inches. That is really high. I don't think this chair will drive with the seat elevated. This is one of the few that does not drive with the seat elevated, no. So you'd have to have the seat down. While we have the seat elevated, let's talk about the base. We've got 9-inch air tires here. You can see the knobs on the tire. This chair only has about 5 miles on it, less than 5 miles or 5 hours. It's practically brand new. You've got 2 batteries, one here, one on the opposite side, 2 batteries. We'll have the battery straps on there later on. We don't have them on now, but there's usually straps that go across here. They didn't come with the chair when I got it, but we have the straps here. So you can see your seat lift there. You can see, let me bring the seat lift back down. These arms, of course, like all Hoveround, they flip up on both sides. So if you need to get in and out from the side, you can do it this way. I'm going to put it back in drive. Turn this chair around. You can see the seat lift motor here for the electric seat lift. You can see the motor right there. This is a Hoveround, so they're famous about their rounded foot plate. So when you go around a corner, you don't hit square foot plate. And they do flip up for easy exit, easy entrance. That's your foot plate right there. You've got your motors here. You've got 2 motors, one on this side, one on this side. If you needed to put this chair in neutral, there's 2 big levers. Push them down, all the way down, and you're in neutral. Push them back up, turn the power back on, and you're back in gear. So, also this chair right here has a 19 by 19 seat. Let me double check that. 19 by 19. So it's a 19 by 19. This is a spring-loaded seat. This is a really, I don't know if you can hear the spring come out. No, I can't hear them, but they're in there. Spring-loaded seat, spring-loaded back, and it's a contoured back. You can see it's contoured. This is one of the best Hoveround seats they ever made. It does have a safety belt, and this is an adjustable back. You can adjust the back and forth. The chair itself is 25 inches from outside of arms. The base is only 24, but the seat's a little bit larger, so it's 25 inches. You're going to need about 25 inches to get through your doors. The chair has a real good turning radius. If I bring it back over here. And this chair is made in the USA. Hoverounds are made in the US. It's one of the few chairs that's American made. And this chair will turn around like this in your house. The back of the chair, we've got the original manual from the factory. We've got the charger right here for the chair. So when you charge this chair, you take your Hoveround charger. I have another one sitting here. I'll take this one. Plug your Hoveround charger in here. As soon as the light turns green, your batteries are full. The charger will stop charging automatically when the batteries are full. You can get about 15 miles on a battery charge, depending how often you use the seat lift, and if you're going in the grass or in the dirt, and the weight of the user will affect the distance. But if you're looking for a Hoveround, which is an American-made power chair with a 5-inch seat lift, it's got less than 5 hours on it, in new condition, again, like most of my power chairs. But you need the seat lift, you need the quality of an American-made power chair. This is a beauty, and it's ready to go. the Hoveround MPV5 with the 5-inch seat lift going up right now. Just a few hours on it. New condition. Great chair. That's the seat lift. I'm going to bring the seat lift back down. This chair will not drive with the seat lift elevated, so make sure the seat lift is down. Then when the seat lift is down, the sensor kicks in. Then you're ready to go. In new condition, ready to go. This is Marc with Marc's Mobility. We are a family-owned business for over 20 years. Thank you for watching this presentation. We have several other models available. If you have any questions, please call the number below, 800-677-6293. Thank you again for watching.